and ever and evermore. Just look at all the time that I've been waiting. Don't even wanna know why we are hesitating. I guess I really mean this. This candle that I hold will last forever and ever and evermore. It doesn't have to be all complicated. It only has to be about the dreams we're making. So take this wish I'm sending and breathe it to your core and take forever and ever and evermore. We have forever and ever and evermore.